This is my first ever character I draw in my life. That's awesome. In this video, I will teach you how to do a cool logo for your channel or for your SiCk Instagram. First, start to do some sketches of the face of your character. Don't forget to draw your favorite outfit. Oh, I forgot to show you my 3 favorite haircut for characters. When you are happy of the result of your sketching, you can start to do the line. Now you can start coloring your SiCk character. Now just use Photoshop Lightroom to add some cool color. Now you have just to put your SiCk drawing on Photoshop. Sorry, I'm a retard, I don't put my Photoshop in English. But follow me, that will be okay. Now, add the cool background. Now you have the best logo of all time. If you want to have a stick, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow my Instagram.